Okay, it's spring. Got crews coming out, that's what you hear in the background, fixing roofs after the derecho. And it's time to put a new battery into this beast. And it's going to be the dipshit tax. This right here is a trickle charger. As you can see, still nice and snug in its box that I didn't put in. And my bike won't start. And I know why. So, gotta go get a new battery, pay the dipshit tax, put it in. First rule I generally like to have is the tools to be able to take the seat off and do this on the bike in the first place. But they're not in here, so I broke my first rule already. So we're gonna have to cut, and now I'll go find my hexes, and we'll come back to it. Found my hexes. I'm gonna keep them in there from now on, because this can happen, and for me has happened here, there, wherever. So again, this is the trickle charger. Hopefully I'll be smart enough to use that next winter, for this next time. This is a remote start pack. Another good reason why it's good to have these tools. If I wanted, in the past I've had experience, I pop this out, I get a quick charge on the battery and start this, but then I get gas, it'll start up again. I hope there's enough juice left in here to do it, which is why we're just going to swap it out. Motorcycle batteries. I think a lot of you know they're not good for much. So first thing I got to do is get to the battery and get it out. And bring it over here. I'm not going to go step by step and do every little thing. You don't have to watch me unscrewing everything, but on my bike, step one is unscrewing this, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to pop the seat off. So now it should be coming right off. There it is. Gone. Okay. All right. So, it's been a minute since I did this. Right. Okay, so last time I did this, I screwed up and I started taking all these things off to get under it, but after I got halfway through it, I looked closer, realized we can do it just one bolt here and flip it up. So, it's a different size hex, looks like. You seem like a winner. Bar. This obviously isn't super advanced stuff. Some of this was other people's YouTube videos. Some of this was just getting in there and figuring it out. I'm sure anybody who's a mechanic who's been in the game a long time finds it pretty basic, but if you haven't, haven't had a bike that long, some of this stuff you can just get into it. You don't need to pay a mechanic or a dealership necessarily to do it. So there's the battery. There's a connection. And I gotta figure out how to, there we go, slide that board off. And I'll have to unscrew this and pop this off, and that'll be it. So now I'm just unscrewing the connections. If we were just gonna be jumping it, this would be all the access we need. We're taking it out. Don't know if this is always safe. It's definitely safe with the battery dead. I don't feel electricity. Had to check it first so I didn't die on camera if this was going to be it. Which, if I did. It's kind of the way I lived. Dumb shit with a motorcycle. Go in there for a minute. And come here. There you. Alright. There it is. We got our battery. You can write down what kind it is, maybe you know, although if you know, I don't know why you're watching this video. I'm gonna take it with me. We're gonna go to the auto store, because they'll recycle this for me too, and typically give you a discount for bringing in a battery to recycle. This is the battery I got from AutoZone. I did get 10 bucks off of it, because I brought in the old one. And the dude there explained that I accidentally did it the right way in the first place by taking the positive off first. We're going to put the positive on first. And apparently that's the way it goes. I hope that gets better, because I did it anyway. Alright. So This one is a little different from the last one, and it comes with the screws. You need to put it in. They're sort of in under here. I'm gonna pop them out, and then it looks like I gotta pop this case up to get it in. But just getting that on video, because from one year to the next, these batteries can look just a little different. And then we gotta just slide it back in. Ah, such grace. Positive first. I'm not suffering from electrocution. That's cool. I like breathing. One. See, it's trying to get a little sparky on me. Sometimes the angles in here can be a little tough. I'm lucky this one's not too bad. Here we are. Fresh one's in. Slide this cap back up and over. That might matter. It's probably there for a reason, right? And then I'll put this housing back on top. So my bike's got these slots. You see right here. We put these pegs into. Yeah. Come on now. If you're a mechanic and you're a motorcycle mechanic, or you're just an amateur who knows more than me, please let me know all the dumb shit I'm doing in the comments. I'd love to learn more. This might take a second. Can you just pause her? Maybe.